I sat down with former North Kingstown students for their first television interview. It aired this week, who say they were subjected to naked fat tests by their then basketball coach, Aaron Thomas. The full report is on WPRI.com. But I do want to play just a little bit of sound from that interview. Each of the students say, putting Thomas aside, the school department as a whole let them down because their warnings about what was going on fell on deaf ears. Let's take a listen.
So that was one of the driving forces for us speaking up early on. And we had a couple goals. One was to make sure it doesn't happen to anyone else and isn't happening to anyone else. And two, something was broken and we needed to fix it. And so we didn't know that it was still going on when we first kind of started out, but we didn't want to take that chance. We were like, look, we have to keep pushing this on the off chance that it is still going on today. And it was a punch in the gut to hear that it was still going on, so many years after we experienced it when we did.
The punch in the gut was not to know that it was still going on, was to know that people in charge knew about it, knew that it was deceitful, and chose to do nothing.
So as you heard there, Attorney Cunha, those students are most upset with the inaction by the school department. Your office is right now conducting a civil rights investigation into the school district, and I realize as U.S. Attorney you loathe to talk about active investigations, but can you weigh in a little bit on what they're talking about? Is that what people should be thinking is the focus of your investigation, what the school officials did or did not do?
That's exactly right. And first of all, listening to the accounts of students past and more recent is heartrending, and you really feel the difficulty that those allegations that they're raising must have imposed on their lives. But as far as what we're looking at, you're absolutely correct. It's a federal civil rights investigation under Title IV of the Civil Rights Act. It's looking at the school district and the alleged failure to have adequate policies, procedures, and measures in place that would protect students from this kind of activity. And the question for us is A, what happened historically, and B, what measures need to be put in place to ensure that something like that doesn't happen again in the future.
So depending on whether your office determines if there needs to be a remedy in North Kingstown, and whatever that remedy might look like, do you think it's important that you take that action prior to the start of the 2022-23 school year?
Well, I can tell you that's my goal. We launched this investigation, I think it was publicly reported about 10 days after I came into office. And we've been pursuing it aggressively. And because the focus of our investigation is on remedy and making sure that institutionally you don't have a failure going forward if ultimately we find that a remedy is necessary, my goal is that we take action before the start of the school year.
And final question on this. Generally speaking, in Title IV civil rights investigations, what are potential remedies? What could those look like?
It varies widely and is going to depend on the specific facts that are found at the end of the investigation. It could involve compliance measures, it could involve some sort of monitoring, it could involve reporting and oversight. But basically the goal is that when somebody comes forward with an allegation that the institution doesn't fail them, that the institution takes appropriate steps or refers it out to appropriate outside sources so that there can be investigation. So you don't have a situation where it simmers for years or even decades.